Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let me tell you, in the UK, having your clothes amended is a pain, both financially and physically. It's a pain. So I decided to get myself a sewing machine. For those of you that don't know, I used to sew back in the days. I learned a little bit of tailoring during my service year. So I bought some accessories for sewing and an electric sewing machine. It cost me some money, guys. So the first thing that I'm opening here is some thread. Ooh, this thread. So I got a pack of 10 threads. What color is this? This is supposed to be black, but it's blue. My God. Well, it will work. So I got a pack of 10 threads. Let me remind myself what is here. Oh, then I got the bobbin as well. There you go. I bought myself a pack of bobbin, already threaded bobbin. Now to the odogu of this unboxing. Oh my God. Come on, this thing is packaged tightly. Okay. So open one. Okay, let's see. Ooh, this is nice. It is a Brother LS14S sewing machine. It comes with everything. A CD for you to learn about the machine. But who uses DVD players anyways? Everything is going to be on YouTube on how to operate the machine. I have already started by watching a lot of videos about the machine, and that was what gave me, what would I call it? That was what gave me the go ahead, the confidence to purchase this particular brand. Now, obviously, I've not tried to see if it is working right, but fingers crossed it is. This is just me doing my unboxing, and I'm going to try out the machine as well. It comes with this stuff. Yeah, it comes with 3 spare needles, 3 spare sewing needles. I don't know what this thing is for, but I think it's for, yeah, this is to put, is the key using to put the needle, because I've watched videos, that's why I know. It comes with 3 clear bobbin. It comes with, I don't know what this is, by the way, this one. But this one is a button, whatever that is called. I don't know the names. The terminologies, I don't know. Woo! There goes my baby girl. I don't know what I'm gonna name her. I need a name for my baby girl. Ooh, that's nice. Oh my God, this is so cute. Yeah, this is operation manual. I think that was just for the DVDs only. This is a manual on how to operate it here. So now I can be experimenting, because I miss sewing, to be honest. I used to love experimenting different things. Now I can do all my amendments. Just imagine, you just get a small rip in your clothes and you have to throw it away or use needle and thread, which is, needle and thread is not always the best. So nobody's going to carry my money in this UK. Oh. This is absolutely beautiful. And it is great for beginners, so I hear. I just have to check that it's working and that's it. This is lovely. Oh my god. Okay. This is nice. I love it. I do. So now I have a friend